so hopefully the camera doesn't die on me, guys. I got some packages. One of them is from Ego, the other one's from Savage Fenty. I'm also filming a reel. This is what my package is looking like. It's been a while that I've done a Savage Fenty haul or order. And this is like some of their new items. And I'm so excited. A lot of things. So it's like loungewear and gym wear at the same time. So let's get right into it. How cute is this? Like, ooh, let's try this one on first. This has like a lining for the bra and the inside, so it's like not all the way see-through. I love the fit. It feels so comfortable. Like I feel like I could just, you know. And then it has that little Savage. Soft. I love it. Now this one, almost the same thing. It's just I have two different colors. This is the gray and with the leggings. I love this because it's so super soft, like way softer than the other one, and it's gonna get chilly in Florida, so this is perfect. And it has like a built-in pad. I like the square kind of neck that it has, and it has the sleeves, and it feels so cozy. Like these are definitely like things you could wear to the airport, and it does have like that little indent here, but not too much. I love it. I love it. And then this is the next one that is almost the same, and it's in a beige color, and they're seamless. And I thought I don't know if I said if it was a small, but it's extra small. So let's try this on. This is so super cute. Like this one, I love how it feels. Like the color looks cute on my skin tone. It just feels so cute. Like guys, I don't know. Like I haven't been to the gym in like 2 months, but this one you can see that kind of like where your butt area is supposed to go. You can see it more on this one than on the gray one, and the one piece did have it. So let me know which one is your favorite, guys. I don't know. There was also like a black color and the green, but I decided to get these colors because I have a lot of black, and the green I didn't want to get it like this because I wanted to get the one piece, and they have these colors also in the one piece. So yeah, guys, just Rihanna's team, Fenty, if you're watching this, like sponsor me. I want to be part of the Fenty fam. Like get it together. These are like my top rated videos, okay? Most watch. Just wait for it. This one I'm so excited because it's my favorite color, and I might just throw it on top of this so you guys can see that these are like versatile. The only thing is that these are like extra small because they're universal, but this time this is like women's, so it's extra small. And when it's not sport and it's lounge, it's a great tag. So I love this color. It's my third or fourth pair of sweats, and let's try it on. This is just like the sweats by itself with the top, because you could wear it like this, you know. And if you want to, oops, I had to take this off. Camera's about to die, so let me throw on the sweater so I can show you guys the full fit. In the site, they even had like a hoodie under this. Like, you know, if you're going somewhere really cold, you can layer this with a hoodie. So cute. Tell me this is not my color. Come on. This is like the OG Savage Fenty colorway. It's so cozy. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. I know this was a short video, but Fenty team, if you're watching, please sponsor me. Okay, love you guys. Bye. But yeah, I just put the mirror back, guys, but hopefully, like, I didn't speed through this because my camera's dying and I should have prepared for it, but everything is so super soft. Like,